And today I'm gonna mix slime. First thing you will need is a mixing bowl and something to mix with, and glue and detergent. Let's start with the glue. Oh. Sorry for the background noise.
Tuloy po kayo. Hali kayo. Ano ka ba? Sabi ko sa'yo, mababait sila sa akin.
That's it. And then, again, sorry for the busy noise. I'm gonna open my detergent. I'm gonna put it in my glue a little bit, then I will stir it. Oh, look at this. I'm making slime. And then I'll put some more detergent. Oh! It's getting hard to mix. Then I'll put it it's sticky, so maybe I'll then I will use my hands. I will not put a lot of detergent. Maybe it needs a little bit more detergent. So sticky and slimy. It's getting a little, it's forming into slime, and I'm just gonna take off the slime my hand. So this is how to mix slime, and you can use other detergent, but I don't know the detergent that doesn't work. So stop. Makes poking sounds. Look at this. So this is a slime that I made, and it's very soft and stretchy. And it makes poking sounds. And it's color blue. I don't know if you guys can see this. Let me try to make a swirl. Swirl. And it's super soft. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below if you want me to make fluffy slime, glossy slime, or clear slime, or any suggestions videos. So, and shout out to all my YouTuber friends, Kawaii Heart, Alpha, I don't know, I forgot, and Team Inferno. They are my friend YouTuber, and go subscribe to them because they're awesome. So yeah, bye guys.